Today I'm making lemon cupcakes with the strawberry frosting. First I'm going to make the cupcakes. I have this super moist lemon cake mix. I'm going to add that to my bowl. Next I'm going to add 3 eggs. Then 1 cup of milk. Then 1 stick of melted butter. Then I'm just going to mix that up until it's combined. Now I have my cupcake pan with liners in it and I'm using an ice cream scoop to scoop out the batter. I'm going to fill each cupcake about 2/3 of the way full. Now that I finished scooping out the batter, I'm going to bake this at 350 for 10 to 15 minutes. While the cupcakes are baking, I'm going to make the frosting. So in my bowl, I have 1 stick of softened butter. Next, I'm going to add 3 cups of powdered sugar. Next, I have a 1 ounce package of freeze-dried strawberries that I put in my blender and I blended that up until I got a powder. I'm going to add the powder to the frosting. Lastly, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of milk and then I'm going to mix this up until it's smooth. I ended up adding another 2 tablespoons of milk after I started mixing because the frosting was a little too thick. Now that the cupcakes are cooled, I put the frosting into a piping bag with a star tip. I'm going to frost the cupcakes. Next, for decoration, I have these butterfly gummies. I'm going to put one on top. Here's an up-close look of the finished cupcakes.